How to improve the working environment of the chiller. The temperature of the use environment such as dust-free workshop, laboratory and medical equipment will be very low, which will not affect the use of the chiller. However, the environmental conditions of many industrial workshops are not so good. Take the plate cutting workshop, hardware welding workshop, material production workshop, and the heat dissipation of the machine. The room temperature will be relatively high, especially in factories with iron roofs, and a lot of heat cannot be effectively used. Rapid elimination will affect the normal operation of the chiller, and in serious cases will cause the chiller to alarm at high temperature. In this case, we can improve from the external environment and the chiller itself. Chiller installation environment. Place the chiller in a ventilated and cool place, which is good for heat dissipation, and the room temperature of the environment is not higher than 40 degrees. Chiller itself. The fan of the chiller itself has a heat dissipation function, and the operation of the fan should be checked regularly. When the chiller is used in the workshop, it is easy to accumulate dust, and the dust on the condenser and the dust-proof net should be cleaned regularly.